Hey everyone, it's Alexandra. I'm one of the designers with Lowcountry Contractors. So today we're in Wild Dunes at an oceanfront condo. We're doing a full renovation. It's coming along awesome and we're gonna take a look. All right guys, so this is the main entryway. So when you walk in, this is gonna be a hidden trundle bed. It's gonna look like shelves and kind of just a drop-off area, but we had our guys custom build this. So it's gonna be really cool. Our clients have a lot of kids and this is where they vacation. So we thought this would be a clever way to kind of hide it, but still accommodate people at the same time. Okay guys, so another really cool thing we did, when we got this place, there was a huge bump out right here. So it was forced to accommodate only like a full-size bed. So what we did was we demoed all of that, smoothed everything out. We also had popcorn ceilings in here too. So that was all smoothed out as well. We added in some recessed lights and just made this space a lot more functional. All right guys, so we're about to go into the living room kitchen area. Keep in mind, this is a construction site. So it's a little messy right now, but we're in the works, so come take a look. So we did Scandinavian wide plank on the floor. We wanted to give it still a beachy feel because if you see this view, it's amazing. So we went with that color scheme on the floors, and then we had a really light, kind of neutral off-white gray for the walls. We did a great white trim throughout, and it just really brings it home and makes it feel soothing and calm and fun. All right, so now we're moving into the kitchen area. Guys, this is my baby. So basically the client said that they wanted to feel like they were visiting a hotel or a funky new place with some fun finishes and something that they would never really use. So I had a lot of fun with this one. If you take a look at the countertops, we did this awesome Bianca Linda marble finish, but it's covered up right now. We'll have that later to come. We did white uppers and then this dark rich blue on the bottom, which I think really ties in together the backsplash, where we did a hex mosaic. The stone in here is Carrara black marble and then the dolomite. I think it just comes together beautifully. Not to mention we have the jewelry that I like to call it, and that is an antique finish with these large 8-inch pools that just kind of came out amazing. One of my favorite parts of this project is the hood. Well, it's incredible, but it does contrast nicely with the white cabinets on the top. It's also shiplap, which I thought with this kind of modern feel, it still incorporated a beachy vibe with it. So I had so much fun picking out lights for this place. Thought these were awesome because they incorporated a lot of the gold fixtures that we had, but are still kind of this modern, funky feel that they were looking for. But the globe itself is a little bit beachy as well, so it just comes together really nicely. So this is gonna be a bright breakfast nook. I'm so excited about it because of all this natural light coming in, not to mention this amazing piece right here that we got from Circa. Just awesome, brings it all together. All right guys, so next time that you come in, we're gonna have this whole place ready to go, furnished. We're gonna unveil this gorgeous marble. You'll get to see the master bath, and we'll see you then.